So in these types of exponent questions, first thing to note here is the base that is being used, 8 here, and also look at the answer choices. You'll notice 2's and 4's. So we know we have to kind of do everything around powers of 2. So that will always work, meaning you can reduce everything in powers of 2, and then perhaps you may have to rewrite this. So that strategy will work for all of these questions. So the first thing you want to do is to change that 8 to a power of 2. So it's 2 cubed. And then this becomes 3 times 2022, which would be 6066. They're asking us about n over 4. So this number divided by 4. I'm going to rewrite this as power of 2. So that's 2 squared, which means now I can use the difference rule. And this is 2 to the power of 6064. Now you'll see that is not in the answer choice. You have this one, which isn't equal to that. So we have to either convert it to power of 4 or 8. We'll start with 4. So this is going to be 4 to the power of half, because 2 squared is 4. Or in other words, this would be 4 to the power of half of that, because you're going to multiply these two. So that's going to be 2, 3. So this is half of that would be 2 times 3, 6, 3. So 4 to the power of 3032, which is answer choice E. Now, another way you can do this problem is to notice that 8 to the power of 2/3 is 4. And the way it comes from, you may have seen this kind of a manipulation. 4. Or, in other words, if you want to go directly, that means that 8 is equal to the 4 to the power of 3 over 2. So you can actually just replace that 8 in terms of that, and then you're dividing it by 4. So this is going to be 3 over 2. That new exponent would be 3 over 2 times 2022, which is 1011, and then you multiply it by 3, which would be 3033, and then you're dividing by 4 to the power of 1. So then you're going to subtract. This might seem more complicated, but these are the type of manipulations you may have to look for in other questions. So the answer in this case is choice E.